Types of blockchain and why blockchain. Blockchains can be broadly categorized into permissionless blockchains and permissioned blockchains. Permissionless blockchains allow any user to pseudo-anonymously join the blockchain network, that is, to become nodes of the network. They do not restrict the rights of the nodes on the blockchain network. Conversely, permissioned blockchains restrict access to the network to certain nodes, and may also restrict the rights of those nodes on that network. The identities of the users of a permissioned blockchain are known to the other users of that permissioned blockchain. Permissionless blockchains tend to be more secure than permissioned blockchains because there are many nodes to validate transactions, and it would be difficult for bad actors to collude on the network. However, permissionless blockchains also tend to have longer transaction processing times. On the other hand, permissioned blockchains tend to be more efficient. Because access to the network is restricted, there are fewer nodes on the blockchain, resulting in less processing time per transaction. Furthermore, based on ownership, blockchains can be further classified into public blockchain, private blockchain, consortium blockchain, and hybrid blockchain. A public blockchain is a permissionless and entirely open network, and anyone can join and participate in the network. The network in the public blockchain provides incentives to anyone who participates. A disadvantage of the public blockchain is that it requires a large scale of power to maintain the distributed ledger. Private blockchain refers to a network that requires an invitation. The invitation needs to be validated by either the network starter or by a set of rules. This system restricts who can participate in the network and can perform or participate only in certain transactions. Businesses use this type of blockchain with a permissioned network. Consortium blockchains are permissioned blockchains, governed by a group of organizations, rather than one entity, as in the case of the private blockchain. Consortium blockchains, therefore, enjoy more decentralization than private blockchains, resulting in higher levels of security. Hybrid blockchains are controlled by a single organization, but with a level of oversight performed by the public blockchain, which is required to perform certain transaction validations. Why blockchain? Now that we understand what a blockchain is and the different types of blockchains, let's look at why we even need blockchains to begin with. There are a variety of blockchain use cases and benefits to blockchain implementation, the most well-known being value transfer over the Bitcoin protocol. For cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, blockchain solves a very specific problem that had hampered previous efforts at developing a digital currency. That problem is known as the double spend phenomenon, in which a single unit of currency is spent simultaneously more than once. This creates a disparity between the spending record and the amount of that currency available. Cryptocurrency is just one application that can be built using the blockchain technology platform. Many other applications can be built, all leveraging the benefits of blockchain. From supply chain to accounting to identity management and more. Enterprises are looking to leverage the immutability and consortium features of blockchain to enable enhanced tracking and traceability. Banks are using private blockchains to digitize their own internal assets, allowing them to move funds internally, saving millions of dollars in costs. Blockchains are enabling businesses in regions with poor banking services to move funds more efficiently and securely.